If you're looking for an AI video generator that promises to make video creation a breeze, you might have come across Minimax. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dig into what this tool offers and see if it's worth your time. Minimax is designed as an AI video generator that aims to simplify the video production process. At its core, it lets users create videos by inputting text or scripts, which the AI then transforms into engaging visual content. What stands out right away is the user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You can quickly select templates, customize visuals, and add audio, which is great for creators on a tight schedule. However, while the basic functionality is there, some areas feel a bit lacking. For instance, the library of templates isn't as extensive as you'd hope, and the customization options can feel somewhat limited. Also, the AI's ability to generate visuals based on complex narratives might leave you wanting more. Overall, it seems geared towards casual users or small businesses looking for quick content, but serious creators might find it doesn't fully meet their needs. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of Minimax. On the plus side, the ease of use is a huge advantage. You can create videos in a matter of minutes, which is perfect for social media snippets or promotional content. The AI's voiceover capabilities also add value, allowing for a polished finish without needing additional voice talent. However, there are some drawbacks. The limited template selection can be frustrating if you're looking for something unique. Additionally, the AI sometimes struggles with longer scripts, leading to awkward cuts or mismatched visuals. There's also a lack of transparency regarding pricing and subscription models, which might leave potential users feeling uneasy. Overall, while it's a solid choice for quick projects, it may not be the best fit for more intricate video needs. In conclusion, Minimax could be a good option if you're a casual user or a small business looking for quick video creation. However, if you need more advanced features or a wider range of customization, you might want to explore alternatives. It has potential, but be cautious and weigh your options before diving in.